Hello everyone, I am Dr. George Tayyar with Royal Apache Team Reality Vertex Team. Today we're gonna be talking about west of Ottawa, Kanata, Stittsville, Carp. So let's go.
Kanata, Stittsville, and Carp are family-friendly neighborhoods. You will be so lucky to live in between those neighborhoods. And here's why. You can choose to live in urban settings or in rural settings with acreage or bigger land. Also, top-rated schools serving French and English, the biggest shopping centers in the city. Also, Kanata is known with its high-tech companies as the Silicon Valley of the Ottawa. That provides the city with great job opportunities and secure industry. I cannot forget to mention the amazing nature touch in this area, the South March Highlands Conservation Forest, consisting of 457 hectares of amazing parks. Also, the huge pools, extreme trampoline park, marvelous golf clubs, farms, and even bunker museum. Yes, all of the above is surrounding beautiful high-end communities. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and thank you for watching our video.